if you want to manage permissions for apps on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to go to Settings, scroll down to find Security and Privacy, and then you go over here, scroll all the way down, and then choose More Privacy Settings. And then here we need to find Permission Manager. Then we have the list of all permissions that we can find on the phone. And let's say we're gonna choose camera. So now we can decide which apps should have access to the camera and which apps should not be allowed. So over here you can also see the list as well. We can see apps that are allowed to use a specific permission all the time, those that are allowed to use only when the app is in use, as well as those apps that cannot use it at all. So let's say, as an example, we're gonna choose Facebook here, and then we can decide to allow only while using the app, or just ask every time you try to use camera in this app. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!